I never imagined finding a Lamborghini like this. Hidden away and forgotten. This Lamborghini Gallardo once ruled the streets. Now it's been sitting still for years.
Under all this dust, the legend is still there.
This car hasn't been touched in a very long time.
When I sat inside, I knew this was going to be special.
The heart of the Lamborghini was still here, just sleeping.
This engine hasn't fired up in years.
Even dirty, it still looks beautiful.
I tried starting it, nothing.
Most people would walk away at this point.
But I saw potential.
This Lamborghini hasn't seen sunlight in years.
It looks rough, but the soul is still there.
Every part needs attention. This is where the restoration journey of this Lamborghini Gallardo begins. Before restoring any supercar, you have to start by cleaning years of neglect.
This Lamborghini hasn't been cleaned in a very long time.
Layer by layer, the past starts to disappear.
There's still life hiding under all this dirt.
The interior tells its own story. Nothing is skipped during a proper restoration.
To
do this right, everything has to come out.
This Lamborghini deserves a fresh start.
Now we can really see what we're working with.
Years of sitting affect every moving part.
These brakes haven't moved in years.
This oil has been sitting far too long.
Every Lamborghini engine deserves respect.
This is where the strip down really begins.
The cleaning is done, and now it's time to rebuild this Lamborghini Gallardo.
Every panel comes off before restoration begins.
Precision matters when restoring a supercar.
This step prepares the Lamborghini for a flawless finish.
This is the moment the past is erased.
Now, the Lamborghini Gallardo is ready to be rebuilt.
Primer seals the foundation for perfection.
Every layer must be done patiently.
This Lamborghini engine is being brought back to life.
Power returns to the Gallardo.
Handling matters as much as horsepower.
This Lamborghini will sound alive again.
Modern performance relies on perfect electronics.
The interior begins to feel like home again.
Luxury returns to the cabin.
Control is restored. Every detail counts.
The restoration is almost complete.
Now comes the transformation. This is where the transformation truly begins.
Every coat is applied with absolute precision.
This Lamborghini is getting its identity back.
Depth and richness take time to build. This is what protects perfection.
Now the paint needs patience.
Even the smallest flaw is unacceptable.
This step unlocks the mirror finish.
This shine speaks for itself. The face of the Lamborghini returns.
Every piece completes the picture.
Identity restored.
Stance is everything.
The Gallardo stands on its own again.
Details separate good from perfect.
The inside must feel just as new.
That sound means success.
The Lamborghini breathes again.
This is no longer just a car.
Now it's time to show the world.
From silence to spotlight.
This is Italian design at its peak.
Every curve now tells a story.
Eyes wide open again. Power refined.
This is what revival looks like. A symbol reborn.
Built to move.
built to be seen.
The cockpit of a legend.
That sound never gets old.
This is freedom on 4 wheels. Once forgotten, now unforgettable. Every second matters.
Perfection doesn't rush.
Finished, but never forgotten.
This is art on wheels.
The calm after the storm.
From restoration to resurrection.
This journey was worth every moment.
Legends never fade.
Until the next drive.
Built once, perfected twice. This is how stories end, properly. And this is the rebirth of a Lamborghini.